Hi everybody, make sure you go on to Hive Alive to order your products and use our code HamburgHoney10 and get 10% off anything you order. Everybody, this is Mike and Lori with Hamburg Honey. Today we're going to be going into the hive that had the drone laying queen in it. We have not opened it yet since we took everything out of there, got rid of the queen, took one of the boxes off, and we're going to go into it to see if they have been making any queen cells.
Hive tool? Hive tool?
Hive tool?
Where's my hive tool?
Well, go get your hive tool. The heck, Mike? I literally told you we need a hive tool. I told you we needed a hive tool. There are bees going in and out of here, and they have pollen. Look at that yellow pollen. So I'm really hoping that putting that frame of brood in here and getting rid of that queen jolted them into, man, look at the pollen on that one. Holy man.
What? Pollen?
Yes,
All
lots.
right.
Yeah, they look like little linebackers.
The popples are finally blooming.
And we saw some maple blooms today as well. Oh, that's my Aunt Kathy calling.
Alright, let's see how these guys are doing.
I can't turn my phone off right now. It'll just have to go to
Okay.
voicemail.
We'll listen to the music for a minute. Alright, they have been eating a little bit of this pollen patty. It's only been, how long has it been? About a week? Laurie?
Probably. But look at it. It's all the edges are gone. They've been eating the pollen patty. So if they've been taking that pollen patty, they're definitely feeding something. Look at that! Oh my gosh, Mike, they are making queens. They use the brood. Look at those queen cells.
Well, they made
two on
queen
this side.
cells on this side.
Let's see the other side. No, I don't see any on this side.
None on this side, but they only need one, so
let's
they've
hang
got
on.
two.
We don't want them out too long. I'm trying to see. Yep, there's grubs in there. Hang on, Mike.
What? Well, we opened it up and find out they do have two queen cells in there. That's the first step. Hopefully the weather stays nice long enough so that she's going to be able to get out and get bred. But that's the big question mark. We'll have to wait and see. It's going to be around the 3rd and 4th week of March before she goes out on mating flights. Hopefully it's at least 50 degrees those weeks. So I hope you guys can get out there and enjoy your bees.